Hey guys, let's make cream scones. Come on. You will need place flour into bowl and add baking powder, sugar, and salt, and mix till combined. Cut softened butter into slices and add it to the mixture. Work through the batter with your hands until it resembles a coarse meal. Crack the egg into the bowl, a separate bowl, and add some milk. Mix till combined. Add the wet mixture to the dry mixture and work with your hands until it starts resembling a ball of dough. Put the dough onto a pan and make it 9 inches round and 1 inch thick. Cut it into 8 pieces. Also, when making the batter, if the batter is too wet, add some more milk, and if it's too dry and too wet, add some more flour. Sprinkle with more sugar so it's crunchy on top. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.